Good morning, Stampers. I know it's Wednesday. I know this is unusual, but I'm starting something new. We're going to do Card Sketch Wednesday. It's going to be a very short video, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a card idea, okay? Easy enough. But I'm going to do it a little bit differently than everybody else. I'm actually going to include the DSP that I use, the actual cardstock that I used, and the die cuts, but there's not going to be any decoration on it. And then I will be posting a photo after I'm done with the video, and in that photo is going to give you the dimensions of the paper that I used, and somewhere on that photograph is going to have either you're going to have to identify a rubber stamp or a die that was used, and it will be so noted on the picture, okay? And then you will be put into a drawing for a prize. And I would really appreciate it if you would share these videos, because I've got lots of things to give away, and then this will be up. It's not your only chance. You can only win once, but this will also be uploaded to YouTube, and I will give you a week to either respond or share the video. And then you will be put in I'm trying to remember, okay, it's called commentpicker.com, and it's all random. Whoever wins will, be notified, and you'll have so much time to get back to me and give me your address so I can send you your free gifts. Okay, so here's our very first Card Sketch Wednesday. All right, so first off, we're going to be using, this is Whisper White, duh, and the Whisper White is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4, so it's your typical card base. Then I've got terracotta tile. And this layer is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. Then I use the Ornate Garden DSP, and that is 5 inches by 3 3/4. Then I used a sentiment label, and that has thanks a bunch on the other side. Now, the one I want you to figure out is what die set did this come from? And what you had to do is give me the name of the die set and the item code for that die set. Okay? Make sure that you make your comments below in the comment section, and I will look at those by next Wednesday. And Wednesday morning, say let's do it at by 8 o'clock in the morning, okay? That's Pacific time. You have to tell me what the name of this die is, and not the specific name, but the name of the die set, and the item code used to order that die set. Now, I will be putting a photograph up that will give you the dimensions and tell you what everything else is and which piece I want you to guess. Okay, this is Teppy Schwartzel with Arid Desert Designs. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I am so glad you're with me, and I can't wait to give out these prizes. Thanks for coming by, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.